Shallot, dalhan kita ng rose.
Yes, sige nga tita, please. Thank you. Allah, ang lamig. Hintayin ko lang dito yung kaibigan ko. He will be here any moment. Ayun si Paul. Ayan, andyan na siya.
Okay, what's that?
So we're here. So that's the condenser. Pero parang walang tao ba?
Yes, it's not on this weekend.
Oh, so pwede kang mag-sketch dito. And those stuff there. Someone is sketch this one. Ito siguro, ito yung he's trying to sketch. I will try to sketch this. Ito yung i-sketch ko. And look at mine. Can I try it? Saan ko siya i-connect? To do that.
Can I help you with anything? Or one is Handycam, where your instructor has you coming down.
Oh wow! That was fast. Hey Magpie, how are you? Where are we stopping? Oh, this is a nice view. Oh yeah, it's a church.